this first clip, I've found a target and I'm scanning over it, and you can hear, I was trying to put the microphone in the ear cuff, but it didn't catch it very good, but you can hear it's getting a target, and then it's pretty quiet when it's not on the target. And in this second clip, you can hear the
just sitting doing nothing.
Sound start.
I'm gonna have my phone away from it.
Even when my phone's in the car or whatever, I only had my phone on me trying to catch this thing that it does. And it will do it whether I'm walking. Sometimes it will randomly do it, and then other times, like here where I'm trying to find a target, it will just randomly start doing it. It usually doesn't last as long as it does in this one, but if I didn't do it in this clip, but if I switch the search coil 1 or 2, or the switch mode, you know, it's got 1, 2 or search, it'll make like a different part of that interference sound on each channel, and then combined in the middle. It doesn't matter if I move the balance pots while it's doing it. It seemed really stable before, and then right after it does this, it's just not stable at all, and I have to basically put it away.